Welcome to Computer Hardware and Maintenance class. Last class we have discussed about different components of a computer. Today we are going to discuss about different layout factors and their effects when we are going to establish or design a computer center. So a computer center layout means what are the concept we should consider. जैसे कि तुम्हारा what are the systems we require, what are the size of the room we require, where we should install the system, all these things we should consider. First, the server. Whenever we are considering the system layout of the computer system, we should consider the main aspect, that is the server room. So server room, where we should keep the server. Then where is the location where we should keep the server, and what are the furnitures and what is the space we should require. So these things we should consider. Then after installing the server or after take the space for the server, then we are going to data entry system, means where we are going to develop the software or where we are going to coding the software. For that purpose, again there is a location, कहाँ पे हम लोग रखेंगे, that should be considered. Then what are the furnitures we require? Furnitures means disk, कहाँ पे हम लोग उसको रखेंगे? Dual monitor, is it necessary for dual monitor or single monitor? Then space consideration, मतलब how much space we require for a single user. If we have 30 systems, then accordingly, if and for one user we are requiring 4 by 4 feet square space. Then for 30 systems, 4 by 4 means 16 into 30. For that much of space we should require. Then cable layout, how we are installing the cables for the system. Then panel and chair and tables. Then media. Then media and consumables. Media and consumables means your consumable items are your cartridge, your pen, your pen drives, all these things are consumable items. So where we have to keep all the consumable items. So therefore that we first consider the location. कहाँ पे हम उसको रखेंगे? जैसे कि कर्नर और माउंटेड एरिया, रैक करके रखेंगे, ड्रॉर में रखेंगे, कैसे रखेंगे? How should we keep the furniture and the consumables? Then furniture. How to set the furniture? Is it lockable or open or workstation? Then backup. How we are take backup of our document. जैसे कि हम लोग सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहे हैं, we are taking the backups, pen drive backup, hard disk backup, cloud backup. How we should keep the backups? Then printer and cartridge or CD and drive. Then we must get the printout of our project. Then we have to show or present the printout of our project to the client. For that purpose, we need different types of equipments like printer, paper, or in if we are taking the soft copy presentation, we need CD, DVD, pen drive, all these things. Then documentation and software manuals. Then space consideration, again, where we should keep all these things. Then layout flow and design. कैसे हम उसको डिजाइन करेंगे, कैसे हम उसको लेआउट करेंगे. So first use the partition. If the whole area is big, very big in size, we are going to partition all the spaces so that accordingly our reception counter is there, our development site is there, our manager's room is there, chamber is there, our refreshment room is there, our washroom is there. So all these things should be considered. Then comes to lighting. How we should fix the lighting so that it should properly light the whole working area. ना कि इधर कम लाइट हो उधर ज़्यादा लाइट हो, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So lighting arrangement should be proper. Then cable management. While we are going to install the systems, it should be considered the important matter. Cable management means how we are going to connect different cables. We have different types of cables like power cable, VGA cable, LAN cable. All these cables, how we are going to connect. Means हम उसको हाइड करके रखेंगे या ऐसे ओपन छोड़ देंगे. So इसके लिए use floor or ceiling cables tray. Then security. Security means whenever we are going to design or develop a software, we should consider that no outsider should disturb us during the working hour. For that purpose, we are maintaining some security issues so that the client or outsider, whoever it may be, they must take prior permission before entering to the development area and sit with the developer. Then environment. Environment is the most crucial thing because whenever we are going to run 30 number of systems, there is a heat generation from the CPU and the room temperature will high. For that, to maintain the room temperature, we are requiring different temperature equipments like cooler, AC, but it is better to provide an AC. Then, whenever we are going to design the whole area of the computer center, we should consider the dimension of the room. Suppose हमारे पास एक square size का room है, means it is better. Or if you have a rectangle size of area, then it is better. क्यों better है? Because we can utilize the whole area. So room dimension. Then number of terminals and workstation. According to the room and according to our plan, we are going to divide the whole place in different areas like your development 1, development 2. This is a documentation center. This is the manager center. This is your waiting hall. This is the control room. So how we are going to design? Then room orientation means rectangle or square or L shape. This is the square size. If we are going for L shape means we are going to make it in a L shape. Then whether we have printer or not, then whether we have meeting hall or not, just like this. If we are going to take a meeting with clients or within the organization staff, then we must require a meeting hall. For that purpose, we must have a meeting hall and a meeting table. Then whiteboard and projector. Whiteboard and projector is necessary because whenever we are going to show or present the project to the client, we are going to show it in a soft copy. So for that purpose, we need a projector and a white screen or whiteboard. Next, assume हम लोग कर रहे हैं, we are assuming that our computer center is like this. Then workstation or terminals means we are considering 6 data entry terminals. Then room size. What is the room size? Generally we are considering minimum assume कर रहे हैं 6 by 4.5 meter. Then room size. The room shape. It may be rectangle or it may be a square. So now we are going to conclude. We have covered how we design the room, how we choose a land for setup of the computer center, how we manage the cables, how we manage the consumables, how we manage with outside clients. So if you have any question, you can ask.